Can you imagine that the production process for a large double girder gantry crane with a main girder length of 71 meters and a main beam height of 2.4 meters would be quite challenging? The length and height of the main girder require precise engineering and fabrication to ensure that the crane meets safety and performance standards. Handling such large components during the manufacturing process would require specialized equipment and skilled labor to ensure accuracy and quality. Welding, assembling, and testing such a complex structure would likely involve multiple steps and quality control measures to guarantee the structural integrity and functionality of the crane. At Guanhui Crane Factory, we have the expertise and capabilities to tackle challenging projects like this and ensure that each crane we produce meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians is dedicated to delivering reliable and efficient gantry cranes that meet our customers' specific requirements. We are committed to ensuring the successful completion of this large double girder gantry crane and are confident that it will provide exceptional lifting capabilities once finished. Further information about the production process, sharing with you next step,